Hey guys, it's Webkinz and I am here with my first ever unboxing video. I received a new Webkinz in the mail. I have a few more on the way that will also be in this video. They're just going to be in separate clips since they're not quite here yet. So let's get started and go ahead and open this package. I'm excited to show you what's inside. They left a little thank you from eBay sticker. That's very sweet. Oh, and it's double wrapped in tissue paper. As you can see, it's the Eluvant. If you watched my collection video, you will see that I have an Eluvant online named Charity. So this is her plush. Gonna show off. Here's her W. And her tags have some writing on them already, but that's okay. And that's it for this clip. We're gonna see you guys in a bit with the next package. And we're back with the second third of this unboxing video. We're getting another Webkinz, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Can you tell what it is? Let me get the whole lid. There goes Chartreuse. We have the Fox Terrier. .5 inches apparently. His name is going to be Ian. I'll see you in a little bit for the next unboxing. And we're back with a third of the unboxings. This one actually contains 2 Webkinz. Let's open it up. And I actually brought scissors this time, so it won't be too bad. Oh my gosh. Some package remnants on her. Okay guys, we have, first off we have the Frosty Fawn. And oh my gosh, this is such a cute Webkinz. Despite what the tag says, her name is going to be Snow White. Oh my gosh, she's floppy. I love the floppy Webkinz. And then we have the mini Pinscher Dog. And his name is going to be Julian. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.